Hey there, good day. I am getting ready to start making some fresh peanut butter today. I'm going to be using, I go to Aldi's to get these dry roasted peanuts. They're honey roasted. They're a 16-ounce jar for like $1.79. So I'm going to turn my blender on to a grind setting, start the blender, and I'm going to need my tamper to tamp down the because when you have the Deluxe cooking blender that really does it all for you, you can make your own fresh peanut butters and jellies and soups and the possibilities And there you have it. Look at all of this goodness. This fresh, oh my gosh, peanut butter, no preservatives. You have to keep it refrigerated because there are no preservatives in it. So I'm gonna just take you over and look at that. And then I'm gonna pour it into jars. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, my house smells so wonderful right now. And I'm gonna do another jar. And then I have this magic scraper that I'm gonna go in and scrape all that lava goodness out of the jar. So thank you for watching.